Alright, welcome to my tutorial for Windows Server 2012. Today we're in Chapter 5, and it's Chapter 5, File and Print Services, and we are going to be doing Activity 5-7. So, we're going to log into Server 1 right here as an administrator, which I just did, and we're going to create a new username named Sales2 and add Sales2 to the Sales G group. So to do this, we're going to open Computer Management, Server Manager. We're going to just go to our Computer Management, open it up, and go to our local users and groups, and then add the new user there. And we're just waiting for it to catch up with us. Computer Management. There we go. Local groups. And we want it to actually just expand. And there's the new users. We're going to right click and add new user. And we're going to name this user Sales2. And let's put a password. We'll just put the generic password on it for the user. And let's just go back and do the never expires and create. Oh, we have to type it twice, sorry. There we go. And we'll exit that, and we can see that the username has been added. And then after that, we're going to add them to the Sales G group. Let's see here. There we go. So now they're a member of the Sales G group. And we're going to create a new group. So we're going to do a new group right there. And name it Deny. And we're going to add sales to check name as the member in there. Then create. And so here's our deny. Right there. So now we're done with this. Let's just exit that. Next that, we're going to go into File Explorer. In the Volume 1. And double click Marketing Docs. Folder, open up the Properties dialog box for sales only. And click on the Security tab. Click the Edit button. And click Add. And we're going to add in the Deny Sales G. And check here. Okay. And then we're going to click on the deny sales G. Permissions for sales only, and click full control. In the deny column, actually. So let's make sure that is just set for deny sales. And click OK. And then there's a security dialog box that opens. Click yes. And then click OK again. So from here, we're going to log off and log in onto our sales 2. So we will just sign out and sign in under sales 2. That's the group that we just created. And we're going to open the marketing docs, share on the 410 server 1. So how we're going to do that, when everything loads up and catches up to us, we're going to right click and we're going to run. And we want to server 1. Then marketing docs is the one that we want. Okay, and it'll automatically open there. We want to create a new text file. We're going to name it new sales 1. And then we need to verify that you have access to the share. So let's right click, properties. And by you, I assume they mean sales 2. And there you are. You're added in there as a group. Make sure you have full control in there. Of course, because you're the creator. And then we'll click OK out of there. And it says try to open sales only folder. And we cannot access that because we do not have permission. Let's see. You do not have permission. For more information about the windows, click here. And we'll go to close. Sales 2 is a member of Sales G and deny Sales G, and both are in the sales only docile. However, the deny permissions take precedence over the allow permissions. That's why it wouldn't let us in there. So that's it for activity 5.7, and we'll see you later.